What if I told you that one of India's most practical electric scooters just got a massive upgrade? Face screaming in fear. Yes, the TVS iQube ST 2026 is finally here. And it's not just an update, it's a complete game changer. From insane range improvements to smarter tech and premium comfort, this scooter is ready to dominate the EV market once again. But is it really the long-range king everyone is talking about? Let's find out. High voltage, segment 1, design and looks. At first glance, the iQube ST 2026 keeps its clean and premium design language, but there are some subtle upgrades that make it look more futuristic. You still get that elegant family-friendly styling, but now with sleeker LED headlamps, refined body panels, new color options that look absolutely stunning. Unlike aggressive sporty scooters, TVS has focused on class and practicality, making it perfect for daily use as well as long rides. Battery, segment 2, battery and range. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight, the range. The TVS iQube ST 2026 comes with a larger battery pack, pushing its real-world range close to 140 to 160 kilometers on a single charge. Fire! Yes, you heard that right. This puts it right at the top among long-range electric scooters in its segment. Charging has also improved. Faster charging support, high voltage. Better battery management system. Improved efficiency for city plus highway. This means less charging stress and more riding freedom. Mobile phone, segment 3, smart features. This is where the iQube ST truly shines. The 2026 model gets a huge touchscreen display with navigation world map, call and SMS alerts telephone receiver, music control musical note, ride stats and analytics. Plus, the TVS Smart Sonic app takes things to the next level. Geofencing, anti-theft alerts, remote battery status, ride history tracking. This scooter is not just electric, it's fully connected and intelligent. Motor scooter, segment 4, performance and ride quality. When it comes to performance, the iQube ST 2026 is smooth, silent, and powerful enough for everyday needs. Strong initial pickup, seamless acceleration, multiple riding modes. Top speed is expected around 80 to 85 km per hour, making it ideal for both city rides and short highway runs. And thanks to TVS's excellent suspension setup, you get super comfortable ride, stable handling, great braking confidence, perfect for Indian roads. Luggage, segment 5, practicality and storage. TVS knows what riders really need, practicality. The iQube ST offers huge underseat storage, luggage can fit helmets easily, USB charging port, electric plug, spacious footboard. This makes it a perfect family scooter plus daily commuter combo. Money bag, segment 6, price and competition. Now the big question, price. The expected price of the iQube ST 2026 is slightly premium, but considering what it offers, it feels justified. It competes with Ola S1 Pro, Ather 450X. Simple one. But where it wins is white heavy checkmark reliability, white heavy checkmark comfort, white heavy checkmark balanced performance. Fire, segment 7, final verdict. So, is the TVS iQube ST 2026 worth it? Backhand index pointing right if you want. Long range battery. Smart features, mobile phone. Comfortable daily rides, motor scooter. Then this scooter is easily one of the best choices in 2026. It may not be the fastest, but it's definitely one of the most practical and reliable EV scooters out there. So guys, what do you think about the TVS iQube ST 2026? Is this your next electric scooter? Thinking face? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, thumbs up, share, repeat button and subscribe for more amazing EV content. See you in the next video.